everyone! Want to buy web hosting from HostingTom but don't know where to start? No worries. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the complete process step by step. Let's get started!
First, open your browser and search for HostingTom on Google. Click on the official HostingTom website to get started. Once you're on the home page, hover over the hosting menu and click on Web Hosting. This is where you'll find all the shared hosting plans available. Now you're on the web hosting page. Simply scroll down and you'll see the different hosting plans, but feel free to pick the one that best suits your website and budget. Once you've made your choice, click Order Now. Next, you'll be asked about your domain name. If you already own a domain, select I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Then enter your domain name carefully and click Use. Now it's time to configure your hosting package. Choose your preferred billing cycle, and if you'd like automatic backups, you can select one here. In this example, we're choosing the free weekly backup because, well, who doesn't like free backups? Once that's done, click Continue. Now you'll see the order summary. Take a quick look to make sure everything is correct. If you have a promo code, enter it here to save a little extra money. If not, no worries. Just click Checkout. Next, you'll need to create your HostingTom account. Let's fill everything out one by one. Start with your first name and last name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you actually use because HostingTom will send you a verification email in a few minutes. Now enter your phone number. Easy so far, right? Let's move down to the billing address section. If you have a company, you can enter its name here. Don't have one? No worries. You can simply leave this field blank. Now enter your street address. If you have additional address details, you can add them in street address too, but it's completely optional. Next, type in your city, then choose your state or region. Enter your PIN code and double-check that your country is correct. If you have a GST or tax ID, you can enter it here. If not, just leave it blank and continue. Now we're almost done. In the additional information section, enter your emergency contact number. Next comes the most important part, your account security. Create a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter it again to confirm. Now choose a security question. After selecting the question, simply type in your answer. After filling in your details, choose your preferred payment method, accept the terms and conditions, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Complete Order. A payment page will now appear. Simply scan the QR code using your favorite UPI app or choose any available payment method and complete the payment. After paying, wait for a couple of minutes while HostingTom verifies your transaction. While you're waiting, open your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a few emails from HostingTom. Look for the email verification message and click the verification link. This step is important because it verifies your account and activates your access. Once your email is verified, go back to the payment page, scroll down, and click Back to Client Area. If your hosting doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. That's completely normal. Just refresh the page, click on Home, and you'll see your newly purchased hosting account waiting for you. And finally, click Login to cPanel. And that's it! Your web hosting is now active, and you're ready to upload your website, install WordPress, create email accounts, and start building your online presence.
If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hosting tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.